Hello, this is Jammal Adio Anibaba. Today is December 1st, 2023. I want to take you guys on a musical journey from Bugama near Port Harcourt in Nigeria. Highlife music. Traveling all the way westward to Lagos. And I'm gonna do it through the lens of Chief Ebenezer Obey and the influence of a child, a no-name child from Bugama, influence the Nigerian music. The no-name child is Cardinal Rex Lawson. His real name is Erekio Sima means do not name this child. This child has no name. Because by the time he came around, his father already lost 4 kids through early infant mortality, which in the eastern part of Nigeria, they'll call it Ogbanje. In the Yoruba side, they call it Abiku. So Rex Lawson was an Abiku. So when he was born, dad was, no, this one is just going to be teasing me. This is another teasing child. He's not going to stay. So I'm not even going to attach my emotion to it and name it. Culturally, the African would say, oh, by bluffing the Abiku or Ogbanje child, then they'll stay. So the dad might be pulling that card out and say, no, I don't care. And then spiritually, the baby would then say, oh, okay, I'll show you guys that I'll stay. Okay. So it goes, Ereke Osima. From Reke Osima, Rex. Instead of saying Ereke Osima, Rex, it's Rex. So that's stuck. Rex. He was a good one. Musically, he was special. So I'm going to use 3 songs. The first song I'm going to use is Ebenezer Obey's eulogy to Cardinal Rex Lawson. He died in January 16, 1971 on a car accident. He died very young. He was only 32 years old. But he already make a big impact on Nigerian music scene. Some heroes, they don't hang around long. So you can say that justifies his father's premonition or intuition that he's just going to tease us. Okay. He was born in March 4th, 1938. And like I said, he died January 16, 1971, just after the Nigerian Civil War. Let's go through the first song, and it will go like this. sorry, oh, sorry, oh. You're sorry, oh, it's my sin. Say sorry, oh, sorry, oh, sorry, oh. Kò sí o, ayé kò sí o. No one come to this world without living. You have to die. Everybody that was born bound to die. Ayé kò sí. Lawson. Sorry, oh, sorry, oh, sorry, oh. Sorry, oh, sorry, oh. Do you? Rex, do you? I know Siam, I define am and I know Siam, Rex, do you, Mr. Death? Sorry, yeah. Sorry, oh, sorry, oh. Let's do you. Take down. You don't get mercy, oh, sorry, oh. Lawson. Rex Lawson. Rex Lawson. They call my CEOs. Let me be. Oh, CEOs. So I don't know. Obey is trying to sing with the accent of Rex Lawson's tribe. So the Calabaris. Do I don't know. Rex Lawson's dad was a Calabari man, but his mom was from Owerri. She was an Igbo woman. Now we go to the next one. This is from the man himself, Jolly Papa, Cardinal Rex Lawson. Jolly Baba, my Asia, aye. Baba, my Asia, Baba, oh. Jolly Baba, my Asia, aye. Ori Bayemi, Mara, Messie, Alejo, Mie. Ori Bayemi, Mara, Beto, mi amodo. Maruma, Bessie, Amara, Mama, Bessie, mi amodo. Ori Bayemi, Mara, Bessie, aye, no, yeah. Ori Bayemi, Mara, Beto, mi amodo. Bessie, mi amodo. Moyesia, Baba, oh, Jolly Baba, Moyesia, aye. Ori Bayemi, Mara, Bessie, aye, no, yeah. Ori Bayemi, Mara, Beto, mi amodo. Ma Bessie, mi amodo. Moyesia, Baba, oh, Jolly Papa, Moyesia, aye. You guys give me one split second. Now on the third one is Obey, Ebenezer Obey, featuring Rex Lawson's theme. Watch what Obey did with it. Ori Bayemi o mama jente láàrin ẹlẹgbẹ́ mi o. Orí èmi mama jẹ́ kí n bá wọn gbẹ wá láyé. Láyé ọ̀rẹ́ mi ayéle orí èmi mama jẹ́ kí n bá wọn gbẹ wá láyé. Akatara tapu papu papu papu. Ori Bayemi o mama jente láàrin ẹlẹgbẹ́ mi o. Gbẹ wá láyé kí má gbẹ wá láyé ọ̀rẹ́ mi ayéle. Orí èmi mama jẹ́ kí n bá wọn gbẹ wá láyé. Orí èmi, orí bá mi, má jẹ́ n bá wọn gba ẹ̀wà láyé. What is gbẹ wá láyé? May I not commit crime and get trapped in the criminal lifestyle and end up in jail. People are jail back in those days. Once you're in jail, you've lost a lot of your freedom. They lock up in a cell. The criminal is locked up in a cell. Another human being controls your life 24/7. They control when they can go out in the compound to get fresh air or to play or interact with other prisoners. But not only that, a criminal has lost a lot to the point of where when he gets to eat, it's controlled by the system, the institution that person is in. When it's time to eat, when it's time to go to bed, when it's time to wake up, they control the prisoner's life. So when it's time to eat, they line up. And then they have their own bowl that they serve them. The next guy comes with his bowl, they serve him. The next guy comes, they serve him the bowl. feeding the prisoners, maintaining the prison institution is a governmental civil duty. So the government serve them meals, but the most basic common meal that is cheap was beans, ẹ̀wà. And wọ́n tò wọ́n lọ gbẹ̀wà. Má tò lọ gbẹ̀wà ni once you're in the prison, ẹ má tò lọ gbẹ̀wà. So that's what that song was referring to. Orí jẹ́ mi má jẹ́ ń bá wọn gbẹ̀wà láyé. May I not go line up as a prisoner with my bowl stretched out to collect my ration of beans. Orí jẹ́ mi má jẹ́ kí n bá wọn gbẹ̀wà láyé. But the song is diving deeper than that. Saying, may I not be a criminal in my life? May I not choose a criminal lifestyle? Tí máa lọ fi bá wọn gbẹ̀wà. Orí yé mi má jẹ́ kí n bá wọn gbẹ̀wà láyé. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi ayé le. Orí yé mi má jẹ́ kí n bá wọn gbẹ̀wà ò láyé. And then the drum beat was pretty much conga drum. That's when the conga drum was dominating the early phase of the Yoruba highlife music. The conga drum. And Obey played in honor of Rex Lawson's band. Akatakatapo. 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 Akatapo. You hear that drum beat in Rex Lawson's work. It's the Delta area of Nigeria. Rich music from that area. Again, àkùkọ ńlá ni àkùkọ kéré ń wò kó tó lóhùn kíkọ tiẹ̀. The young rooster tends to look up to the mature rooster on how to crow so that they too can learn how to do it properly. And then when they get to the maturation, they'll come up with their own style or version. Kò sóhun tuntun lábẹ́ ọ̀run. Kò sóhun tuntun lábẹ́ ọ̀run. You guys stay blessed. Leave comment.